So good morning everyone. I've just washed my face and now I'm going to do a little bit of a skincare. I'm going to start getting back into my skincare because I kind of didn't do it for a while. So I've washed my face with a milk cleanser and then I'm going in with the Ordinary. This is the Buffett Multi-Peptide Serum 2-drop and I'm going to put that on my face. I try to keep my morning skincare routine really simple just because I do a lot of stuff at night. So the morning I just feel like it's because I wear makeup and everything, and I'm just going to go in with my Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizer and then I go on top. So in the morning usually it's like a serum. Sometimes it could be like an under eye or a skin treatment and then your moisturizer or my moisturizer. And it does tend to go a little bit white, but that will fade away in a second. Like I said, I just need some extra moisturizer today because it's like -8 Celsius outside. No snow today, like really sunny, which is nice, but still. Then I'm going to go in with an under eye serum today. This is the Clinique All About Eyes. This reduces circles, puffs. This is the gel formulation and then it lasts a really long time. I prefer the cream foundation because I find it's a lot more hydrating, but in the summer I use this and I just haven't gotten around to finishing it. So I'm just going to finish using this. I might go pick up the heavier under eye cream a little bit later on. But I think this one will be okay because now I've ordered a serum. I already have that extra layer of hydration. So like I said, I don't have a lot planned today. It's going to be a pretty simple stay-at-home day. Order some stuff online because a lot of things are closing down now. I was going to go through my Vlogmas on my agenda and Dayton left me a little present. And so he took out some nice chunks, but he was nice enough to leave me half of December. So like on this, it's not a big deal. It's like a little dollar store agenda. So I had Vlogmas on here. It shows you like the calendar, and then when you go through it, it shows you like the actual week by week, which I like. But I like having a one glance calendar. I can use it in my phone or my computer, but I prefer to write things down. So thanks, Dayton. I do have a backup just in case because with him you never know. Alright, so today I'm going to go in with a little bit of Charlotte Tilbury. This is probably one of my favorite like luxury foundations, but sometimes when I need a pick-me-up I'll use it. This is the Airbrush Flawless Foundation. This is the color 4. It does oxidize, but again, this is a full coverage foundation, so it does. You need to work quickly. It does have anti-aging properties in it. I'm going to get really pale in just about a second. Okay, so that is the foundation on. I'm going to go in with a little bit of concealer. I didn't cut my finger. That was some red lipstick that got all over the place yesterday. I will get that off in just a second. It's going to do a little bit lighter on the concealer today. It's because the Charlotte Tilbury is a full coverage concealer. Kind of set that. I've got 2 different shades. I have the Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder in the color 1 Fair, and then for the rest of the face I have a 2 Medium. And I'm just gonna set that concealer. And then for the darker shade I'm gonna go in with a big fluffier brush. Sorry. That's okay. And for a little bit more warmth I'm gonna go in with the Charlotte Tilbury bronzer. I'm in the shade 2 Medium. Just using a big brush just to kind of, not really contour, but bronze and bring back some life to my face. I got some fairly strong eyebrows today. Oh my goodness. I'm going to go in with this Charlotte Tilbury Bejeweled Eyes to Hypnotize. This is her 2020 Instant Eye Palette. I do have a couple videos on this. I will link it below in case you are interested. So I am back. All I did was eat breakfast and then I put on MAC Boldly Bare lip liner with the same cheek and lip tint from Charlotte Tilbury, that Sandy Euphoria, on my lips. So we're just gonna have a kind of a day at home. Something else to add to my list, my glasses got like a crack on the inside, so I had to order a new pair of glasses. Tomorrow I do have to go to the eye doctor's because apparently where I ordered my eyeglasses from, that's Dayton coming in the door. And now he's on the ground. I need an updated prescription for these eyeglasses, so we have to go do that. I have to make sure that I can find my prescription, my old prescription, to bring in anyways because it's a new eye doctor that I'm seeing. And I'm going to show you Dayton today because I know you guys haven't seen him in a couple of videos. So let's go take a yo. Hello, sweetie. You cute? What are you doing? Treats? No, no, don't eat that jacket. Dayton. Want your belly rubbed? Hmm? 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 Are you playing? Are you playing? Yeah. Good boy. You're so cute. Okay guys, so that was a little bit more of a daytime vlog. I really didn't do that much today aside from taking care of the dog, making dinner, getting ready. I showed you some of my Christmas decorations throughout our house. But before I go and end today's vlog, I just want to say a really big thank you to everyone that left comments of support and everything on my video where I talked about my divorce and my family situation. So I just want to say that I'm very grateful for you guys and thank you. Also, I think, yeah, I'm probably just going to end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much and I will see you guys in tomorrow's Vlogmas. Bye guys!